Okay, I'm reloaded.
Man. YouTube what it is, man. It's your boy Sayysooflyy. I am the wave, I am the bridge, man. Now right now, son, first and foremost, here we go. So, y'all see the title. That is not clickbait. It's definitely real. I definitely lost 20 bands. And on top of that, the shit was in like a day, son. Now, before we really get into that, if you're not subscribed already, man, click subscribe, catch the wave, join the family. If you want to learn how to trade, you feel me, click the link in the description. Like the video. Like, what's really good with you? It don't cost you no money to like the video. You know, I know some of y'all niggas haters, you feel me? I know a lot of niggas just be watching my videos just to hate. You probably happy about this, so go ahead and like the video, because I know you happy that a nigga lost money. Now, this not really about haters though. Like, it's just, yeah, I just lost that shit. Like, it's to a point to where I don't even know what to say. You feel me? Like, bro, 20 bands in one day, just gone. You know, and it's bad because, you know, the past few months, you know, or no, the past few weeks, I've been making videos, you know, doing my best to help y'all, you know, giving y'all tips and tricks and teaching y'all different things that I've learned throughout my journey of, you know, where I am today. And throughout my journey of just like trading and stuff like that. And I be telling y'all not to do certain things, like, yo, man, don't over leverage. You feel me? You gotta be disciplined. You gotta think of percentages, not in profit. What else I be saying? Fear and greed. That's what's gonna be the thing that kill you. You're gonna get greedy. And that right there is the thing that killed me. Now, I don't want y'all to think that I'm like mad or anything like that. I mean, I am mad. You know, I am mad, but that's not this kind of video. You know, this not a video of me complaining like, man, this is bullshit, nothing. This is just me just, you know, being real with y'all. Cause at the end of the day, we all know all these niggas on YouTube is cap. You feel me? You probably cap too. Like the nigga you be watching for education, more than likely he cap. You know, and I mean, social media is just, it's cap in general. Like, niggas be fronting. Everybody act like they rich. Everybody act, all they do is show the good stuff. And I know, oh, well, dude, that's what you be doing too. That's, you know, niggas be saying that shit about me. But at the end of the day, like, anybody who really be watching me, anybody who really keep up with this channel, y'all know I be keeping this shit real. You feel me? Like, I showed y'all when I was down bad. Like, I showed y'all when I was fucking depressed. There's videos of me crying on here. You know, and it's like, I'm one of the realest niggas you'll ever meet in your life, you know, so, yeah, I mean, I lost it, you feel me, and the biggest thing, it was me being greedy at the end of the day. Like, I got to 20 because it happened so fast. Like, first, I'm sorry, I'm bouncing all over the place, but this right here, just this video, and I know you watching, I'm probably not talking to you right now, or I might be, because, you know, niggas who be hating usually don't watch this long, but this video right here should debunk every fucking person who be in my comments saying that I don't know how to trade. Every fucking person who be in my comments saying, oh, all you do is recruit. Show me a chart. Show me some withdrawals. Like, any nigga who's saying some stupid shit like that, this video should debunk all of that. Cause nigga, I lost 20 bands. Now, I put like 2 bands in my account. So I took it from 2 bands to 20 bands. And I mean, yeah, that's cool, but I'm pissed because I didn't withdraw none of this shit. I think I withdrew 1,000 of it. So it was like, damn, I really just threw all that money away, you know. But yeah, everybody who be saying, oh, well, let me see proof. Let's show me a chart. Mark up a chart. First off, all of the proof right here. Ding, 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 ding. All right, so shut up. I mean, it is kind of bad because that was like, you know, once I saw 20 bands and I saw how fast it happened, I was like, yo, I'm about to get this bitch to 100. Dead ass. That was what's going through my head. Like, yo, I'm about to get this shit to 100 bands. And I wanted to get to 100 bands before my birthday, which is actually tomorrow. And I lost all of that shit, son. And it's even worse. The thing that made this bad is that, you know, my account was growing, and the money that I have, like, cause at the end of the day, when it comes to trading, and this is like a tip for y'all, you know, when it comes to trading, that money is not real until you withdraw that shit and that shit hits your bank account. That's when it's real, you know. So it's like, oh yeah, you probably in profit right now, but that trade is still open. My nigga, you can't call that profit. You feel me? Oh, you grew your account to this, whatever. But like I said, you can't, it's not real until you withdraw it. And I mean, that's, I'm preaching to y'all and I'm telling y'all, and I should be listening to my own fucking advice. Cause I mean, while my shit was going up, I'm like, hey man, I'm about to, I'm about to get this bitch to 100 bands. And I just start, my actual money, I start spending that shit a lot. Like a lot. And once I lost that, now it's like, fuck. I mean, I ain't gonna sit here and say, oh, I'm broke and all that, but damn, my nigga, like, we about to rebuild this shit. We pretty much about to start over, you know. Hey man, it's life. I mean, when it comes down to trading, when it comes down to investing, it is risky. I do understand that, you feel me? I know what I'm getting in before I fucking do it. So, I mean, hey, I lost, you know. I can't blame nobody else but me. I can't blame the market, you feel me? I can't blame niggas on YouTube, and I did that shit, you know. Same way if I would've took it to 100 bands and withdrew it in a couple days, like, I would've been the one taking praise for it, you know. But hey, it is what it is, you know, pretty much. The money's low. money is definitely fucking low. I think this is a sign I need to be on YouTube anyway, you feel me? I need to be making videos like this. Cause I was watching a few of my old joints and I like this right here, you know, like I be by myself all the time, you feel me? Most of the time, I enjoy being by myself, but I also enjoy talking to a camera, you know, so I need to always be doing this. So y'all gonna see a lot more videos like this, and one, cause I like doing it, two, cause I need some fucking money, you know, so yeah, I definitely blew that shit though. That shit got me tight, son. My fault. It's definitely my fault. But yeah, like I said, man, any nigga that's hating, you know, and I get a lot of haters. Like, I get a lot of haters for no reason. All because I don't know why niggas be hating so much. Like, I could see my fans or my supporters, the people who are supporting me for, you know, my reactions, the people who are supporting for the story times, and then the fact that I switch content. Like, I could see that. Though, y'all, if you watching and you still watching, like, I could understand you being upset. Because, like, bro, you switched your whole fucking content. I ain't subscribed for this. Like, I feel you. You know, that's why the views low. Shit like that. You know, but it's like, other niggas just be mad. Like, they don't even be subscribed. I don't even know who these niggas are. They don't know me. I don't know them. Meanwhile, they see my video. They pissed. They see I'm in IM Academy. They pissed about that shit. They saying it's a scam. They saying I'm a scammer. They saying I don't know how to trade. All that stuff. The fact that I took 2 bands and turned that shit to 20 bands, like, that right there, I actually trade. You feel me? Like, I mean, I lost, but everybody loses. That's another. If you trading and, like, yo, you're gonna lose. That's a part of it. Now, losing all your bread, like how I just did, don't do that shit. You know, like I said, I was just being greedy, you know? But the proof is right here, my nigga. Like, niggas really trade. It's just, hey, I just lost. You feel me? I just lost a lot at one given time, you know? This experience, though, is, because I never lost that much money before. Not that fast. But this experience is showing me that me as a person, bro, I've grown so much, because I just remember, you know, before, back when shit used to get bad, and when, you know, if I was in a financial situation and I just hit all of a sudden just now, if that happened 2 years ago, my nigga, I'll be stressed the fuck out. I don't know what I'll be doing. But the fact that, like, bro, I've grown. My mind has grown. Like, the way that I move is different. The way that I think is different. And it's just like, I know I'm gonna get that shit back. I'm gonna get that shit back times 10. The same way how in trading, that shit, the chart just not gonna go up, it's gonna go up, and it's gonna go down. It's gonna go up, and it's gonna go down. Like, that's part of it. Life don't just, everything don't just go good. You feel me? Good things happen and bad things happen. And good things happen and bad things. Like, that's a part of it. That's the wave, you feel me? So it's like, I understand that, you know? And I mean, no successful person, nobody that's successful just hit it all the way at the top. You know, I was watching an entrepreneur yesterday, you know, just like studying. I be watching shit like that now. And he said he would never work with somebody who hasn't cycled once. And pretty much the word cycle pretty much mean like, he don't work with somebody until they lost it all at least one time. You feel me? Like, you're not a real entrepreneur if you never lost it all. Every millionaire, every billionaire had a point to where them niggas went bankrupt, or to where them niggas pretty much lost everything, or damn near lost everything. And I ain't gonna lie, bro, that's where I'm at right now. Of course, I got streams of income. You know, YouTube is a stream of income. I got a bunch of streams, man. So I mean, that's not really a problem. You know, I know how to make money. I know how to create shit. Like, I know how to get it. You feel me? But it's just like, damn. You know, now I just gotta, I don't have a lot of padding anymore. I don't have a lot of, what's the fucking word? I don't have a lot of room to breathe. You feel me? Like, now I'm like, check the check, you feel me? So, yeah, man, that's what's going on with me. You know, I know social media, niggas on YouTube, niggas on Instagram, everybody show the good stuff, you feel me? Nobody show when they lose, and that shit just make y'all feel bad, you feel me? Because it used to make me feel bad. You know, I used to be watching people, checking their Instagrams every day. I was in group chats with people, and all these niggas they just win. It's like, bro, y'all niggas never lose? And the fact that I'm losing used to make me feel like I was doing something wrong, you know. But at the end of the day, you're gonna lose. You know, niggas they just don't show it. Everybody show good stuff. Nobody show bad stuff. So, yeah, man, I lost 20 bands in a very fucking fast span. My bread is kind of low, real low. But we gonna get back right. You know, definitely gonna get back right. And I'm about to move out. This is all hitting me at one time too. Like, damn, this is happening at the worst time. But I can't blame nobody but myself. Alright, I just want to talk to y'all. I just want to tell y'all that, man. Join my Discord. If you want to, you know, get started with trading, click the link in the description. I got 2 ebooks actually that'll help you get started. I'm selling them shits for $100, but if you click the link and you do it through the link, you get it for $20. So $20, bro, like, if you ain't investing in yourself, if $20 is too much for you to learn a skill that's gonna really help you, or if $20 is too much for something that can help you do something that you really want to do, then my nigga, you ain't serious. Alright, but yeah, subscribe, like the video. Nigga lost 20 bands, but it's all good. Stay cool, stay safe out here in these streets, man. Most of all, stay wavy, my friends. Fuck! Stay wavy, cause ladies don't die. Sheesh.
I was down bad, but I'm up now. Shout out the past. Niggas talking, but they hating on me. Black on, you can't take her from me. A hater in person, been waiting to see. She got a new nigga, ain't fucking with me. Ain't fucking with me. They walk how I walk and they talk how I talk. I'm what they wanna be. They wanna be me. Catch me with wealthy, pissy, 50, sign up that shit on.